Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube Riddhi Aapari. Welcome back to my channel Riddhi Aapari. Today we are going to start with our very first chapter in French, which are the French alphabets. So consider yourself being in nursery.
There are 26 letters itself in French as in English, but pronunciation is different.
Plus, they play a very important role in written and spoken French. So, yeah, let's get into the learning process now. So, I'll be saying the letter in English first, then I'll say it in French, the pronunciation, and then I'll say the word corresponding to that letter. Let's start with the first letter, which is A, and its pronunciation in French is A. आ जब हमें लग जाती है कब तो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना आ मुझे लग गई. So that a is a letter A in French. And the word corresponding to the letter A is avion. 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 So the question here arises that how to remember these pronunciations in French, right?
What you can do is write down these pronunciations in either Hindi or in English as you understand.
And later on, when you forget what the pronunciation of that particular word is, you can go back and check it, like what's the pronunciation. Next letter is B, and the pronunciation for it is Bay. B-A-E or B-A-Y. You can remember it like this, Bay. Or in Hindi, the letter Bay with a matra. And the corresponding word to Bay is Bato. Bato. Yes, Bato, which means boat. Next letter is C, and its pronunciation is Say. Say. S-A-Y as in English, or the letter S in Hindi. The corresponding word to it is Sha. Sha, which means cat. Next letter is D, which is having the pronunciation of they, T-H-E-Y as in English, they. And the word is drapo, drapo, which means flag. Next letter is E, and the pronunciation is A, and the word is O, O. I know it's totally different. O means water. Next is F, and the letter sound is same in French, which is F, because it's not a French letter.
So for letter F, the word is fleur. Fleur. Fleur means flower.
Next letter is G in English. In French, you pronounce it as J. J. Now here in French, G and J swap their pronunciation. If you can pronounce treasure, treasure, that J sound that is coming, that is the letter J. That means G in English. I know it's little confusing, but if you want, you can slow down my video. I hope you got my point here that G and J swap their pronunciations in French, where G becomes J and J becomes G. Word related to G is gato, 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 which means cake, which means cake.
My mouth is watering after listening to this word gato because I'm really hungry right now.
Next letter is H, which is Ash in French. Ash. The word from letter Ash is hôpital. Hôpital. Now you must be saying that, but we are starting it from the letter O, and why not we are pronouncing H in French?
It's because in French, H is playing a silent letter role. Yeah, that's the thing.
It's called a mute letter or a vowel in French. So just remember that whenever H is coming in the starting, it will always be silent and you will not pronounce it at all. And start from the next letter. That's how we did over here. We wrote it as H-O-P-I-T-A-L, but we pronounced it as hospital. That means we started it from the letter O and not H. The H sound comes in the middle, then you can pronounce it, no doubt. But if it comes in the starting, you have to mute it. Just mute it. Next letter is I, which is E It's pronounced as letter E in French. And the word for it is insect. Not insect, but insect. Sect. The sound should come at the end. Though the meaning of it in English is insect only.
Now the next letter is J, which we have already learned and has the pronunciation of G. G. Bring back that treasure sound. J. J. Can you pronounce it? J. J.
Yes, that's the way you do it. Now the word related to G is Jarda. Jarda, which means garden. Next letter is K, which is Ka. K-A, you can write it as that, Ka. The word is kangaroo. Kangaroo, which means kangaroo in English. Only the way to pronounce it is different and the way to write it as well. Now the next four letters have the same pronunciation as in English, that is L-M-N-O. These four letters have the same pronunciation as in English. So we'll not repeat the pronunciation, rather we'll learn the words corresponding to that letter. So the first word with L is lait. L-A-I-T, which means milk.
Next is M, which has the word maison. Maison.
Can you just mimic my lip sync? Maison. Yeah, maison. That means house in French. Now the next word is N, which is having the word nuage. Nuage. Yeah, that means clouds. Clouds. Next we have is O, which has the word orange. Orange. That means orange. It's the same, just the pronunciation is different, guys. French is easy, I think, to learn at the start, because if you know the concepts really well, then you won't be having any difficulties in learning and forming the new sentences.
Okay, where were we? O was over.
Now those four letters are over. Again, we have a pronunciation for the letter P, which is pay. P-A-Y.
And the word related to pay is
Papillon. Papillon. Papillon means butterfly. I like butterflies a lot, guys. Jane Papillon. Beaucoup.
next letter is Q, which is little bit same pronounced Q. Q. Just you have to not open your mouth wide. Q. Q. Just throw it out.
The word related to Q is quatre. 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 That means number 4.
Now I know here you are not pronouncing Q as it should have been, but yeah, when it gets into a word, when we join some letters, its pronunciation changes.
Okay, I also wanted to mention that all the Hindi names do not change in French.
What?
But the Christian names, the English names, do change in French, as in John is in English, right? And in French we say it as Jean. Jean. Its way of writing changes. As you can see, it's Jean. Jean. And the most difficult pronunciation I can say, air. Air. You have to make that sound, continuous sound of r. You have to sound it vocally. Air. A-I-R-R-R-R-R. Continuous. For that we have the word rob. Rob. That doesn't mean to rob somebody. It means address basically. Next we have the letter S.
And it is pronounced same as we do it in English, which is S, but we have the word called soleil. Soleil. Soleil in French, meaning sun. Sun.
Next letter is T, which has the sound of T in French. Word related to T is table. Table. Which means table in English, but the way of pronouncing it in French is different. That's it. Can you pronounce it? Table. Table. Yes. 2 thumbs ups to you guys. Now the last 6 letters are very much kind of irregular, you can say, or unusual, that has rarely any words with them. So yeah, let's get right into the last 6 letters until we start with our fun guessing game. So U is the English sound, and U. Can you see it? U. If you're not able to get my pronunciation, then you can see the pronunciation in English over here. It's EWWW. Ew. The word related to it is uniform. Are you able to pronounce it? Uniform. Yes, right.
Next letter is V, which is way. Way.
The word corresponding to way is wash. Wash. Spread your mouth wide open. Wash. I know I must be seeming funny on camera, but it's the way you pronounce the words in French. That means cow in English. Now the third last letter is W, and here comes the French logic, guys. So if you write V like this, you have one V, right? If you add another V to it, it becomes double V. And that's how we have translated literally this letter in French, as double means double, V means way. That joins the letter W, which is double way. Corresponding to letter W is wagon. Wagon. Okay, my mistake. It was not the third last, it was the fourth last. Now we come to the third last letter, which is X, which is X. X. X in French. Yikes. X. And the word related to it is xylophone. Xylophone. Is the xylophone or the xylophone as in English, you can say. Can you pronounce letter X now? X. Second last letter is Y, and we pronounce it as Y. Y. And the word is yaourt. Yaourt is nothing but yogurt. Last letter finally. And it's the letter Z, and it's pronounced as Z. Z. Word is zebra. Zebra, which means zebra in English. I hope you're getting my pronunciations, guys. Zebra. With this, we finish our learning process.
Now you guys have to repeat all these letters with me, okay? Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now do let me know in the comments which of the letters were the funniest according to you. According to me, it was X. Okay, so it's time to play a guessing game right now, guys. I'll say the letter in French and you have to say the corresponding word that we learned right now. Yes. You have to guess that word related to that letter. Okay, are you ready? Close your books and you have to write down it in the comments. I'll have the 5 letters and you have to give me the 5 answers related to it, and I'll respond to each and every one of you. So yeah, the first letter is Ash. Next is O. The third one is Y. Fourth one is A. The last word is A. I hope you have written all the answers in the comments. If they are correct, I'll be saying bravo to you guys. Even if you have pronounced those words while writing them, then kudos to you. You are on the journey with me. Bravo you guys, you just learned all the French alphabets with me. Soon you'll be able to pronounce any words in French.
Keep practicing and do not forget to hit the like button if you really learned something new today. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. A bientôt.